Hello viewer, it's an heart design. In the center of that shapes here, create another heart. Similarly, keep on editing. Generate the more shapes. Find a new structure. So let's take it. Make some designs to use a paint there. It's an eraser tool. There we have. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.